Cattle prices just hit another all-time record high on Friday. Everyone's wondering what in the world is going on. Hey everybody, Brandon Weigel here, grain and feed market advisor with Ever.Ag. We've seen live cattle and feeder cattle futures make what seems to be new all-time highs every day for the last several weeks. We continue to see this cash market trade extremely strong. Packers are bidding up here nearby. Everyone is tight. We know that fundamentally the supplies of cattle in this country are tight. I don't think there's any questions that from a fundamental supply standpoint, this market should remain strong. And everyone has been kind of watching the situation with the U.S.-Mexico border. Back in November, the USDA halted feeder cattle imports from Mexico due to the new age screwworm. There's still a lot of uncertainty around when the border is going to reopen. There's been some rumors kind of swirling around that the U.S. will start to once again import feeder cattle from Mexico here sometime in the back end of January, early February through limited points of crossing. I don't know that we've really got a lot of confidence as to, when things are going to fully start rolling again. And I think that's what's got this market really excited. In addition to already having tight supplies domestically here, anytime we reduce those feeder cattle imports that we rely on fairly heavily, you start to tighten up those supplies even further. So from a fundamental supply standpoint, I don't think there's a lot of concerns. We've got managed money that is just piling into the long side of this thing. Funds are holding a record long position in feeder cattle futures by a mile. They're nearing record long territory in live cattle futures. We really have to watch demand. What's happening there? How long can the consumer continue to sustain these prices when live cattle cash trade has been well over $2 in a lot of areas? I think as we look out into 2025, we need to be doing everything we can to proactively manage these prices, extend these values out into the future. If you have questions on what are the right tools to use right now in this environment, how we go about actually making sure we're proactively putting floors under this market while still giving ourselves topside opportunity, make sure you reach out. We're here to help.